Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Okay, LU3B, question 4. Uh, okay, question 4, integrate x square sin by x. Okay, first here you let the u here equals to the x square and du over the x here equals to the 2x. Yeah, this one number 1. Okay, so du equals to the 2x dx, and v here equals to the sin phi x, and v here integrates, and b equals to the negative cos phi x over phi. Yeah, and using the integration by parts, uv minus v du. So uv equals to the x square times negative cos phi x over phi minus negative cos phi x over phi times dx. Formula ni you all pakai sahaja, ya. So u equals to the x square and dv here equals to the sin phi x. Yang ini jangan terbalik, you punya u and dv, ya. And constant, this one you punya constant, 2 over phi. So this constant you move out, 2 over phi times x cos phi x, and here integration by part again. U here equals to the x, and du over dx here equals to 1, and du here equals dx, yeah? And dv cos pi x, and v here equals to the sin pi x over phi, yeah? Constant, you can dapat 2 pi and integrate cos pi x, yeah? Constant tu you kena keluarkan, yeah? And here uv x times sin pi x over phi and minus sin pi x over phi dx, and the constant here equals to the 1 over phi. Yang ini ya, dia punya denominator 1 over phi, and times negative cos pi x over phi and plus c. Yeah, and you solve the equation. Check answer. Okay, so answer here equals to the negative x squared cos pi x over phi plus 2x sin pi x over pi square plus 2 cos pi x over pi cube plus c. Yeah. Yang penting question 4, this one dia punya integration you kena buat 2 kali. Okay. First integrate yang ini, this one. Okay, and the second integration you kena buat yang ini. Okay. Okay, settle. Question 4 and question 5. Okay, question 5, E3 to the x cos dx. Question 4 and question 5, dia punya method dia sama sahaja. Okay, check dulu. Okay, so u here equals to the E3 to the x, and du over the x here equals to the 3x 3 to the x power, and du here equals to the 3e 3 to the x, yeah? And dv equals to the cos 2x, and the integrate v here equals to the sin 2x over 2, yeah? Yang ini pun sama, you punya u the exponential function, and dv here equals to the cos 2x, okay? Okay, and uv e3 to the x sin 2x over 2 in minus sin 2x over 2 times 3e 3 to the x power. And sekali lagi, this one you all punya constant, Constant here equals to the 3/2. Ini saya tunjukkan. So this one you punya constant. So you move out the constant. 3/2 E3 to the X sin 2X. Kalau you tak keluarkan punya constant, dia punya solution dia akan dapat lain sikit. Ya. Okay, and here integration by part again. E3 to the X sin 2X. So U here equals to the E3 to the X power. And du over dx here equals to the 3 to the x power, yeah? And dv here equals to the 2x, and b here equals to the negative cos 2x over 2, yeah? Okay, this one first, and the second integration. So negative 3/2, yang ini ya. So negative 3/2 e3 to the x minus cos 2x over 2. This one uv, and minus cos 2x over 2 times 3e3 to the x power. Yeah, and the constant here equals to the 9/4. Yang ini ya. 3/2 times 3/2 equals to the 9/4. You will check. Yeah. And here cos 2x dx, and the left hand side here equals to the cos 2x dx. So this one you all combine. Ini saya tunjukkan. So this one negative 9/4. Lihat ke sini. Okay. So negative 9/4, and here equals to the 1. So 1 plus 9/4 here equals to the 13/4, and e3 to the x power cos 2x dx. Okay, you combine, and the right hand side here equals to the 1/2 e3 to the x sin 2x plus 3/4 e3 to the x cos 2x. Boleh. Okay. Okay, and last check answer. Okay, so answer here. This one, the constant equals to the 13/4. Ini saya tertinggal tadi. So this one, you times 4/13. Okay. So here equals to the 3/4 times 4/13. Here equals to the 1. And 1/2 times 4/13 here equals to the 2/13. And here equals to the 3/13. Okay. Okay, so answer, you check answer. 2/13 e3 to the x sin 2x plus 3/13 e3 to the x cos 2x plus c. Yeah. Question 5 pun you all kena buat integration by parts 2 kali. Kalau you buat sekali sahaja, maksudnya you punya solution tu dia tak complete. Dia kena 2 kali baru dia complete. Okay. Okay, question 4 and 5 method dia sama. You boleh check. And question 6. Okay, question A, check answer. Question A ni saya ingat tak perlu discuss. Question A, you write down the rational function in a functional fraction. Denominator of the function here equals to the 2x plus 5 times 2x plus 5. This one the repeated linear. Yeah. The first part of the rational function a over 2x plus 5 plus b over 2x plus 5 square. This one you punya LU3 yang lepas, repeated linear. And you substitute the value x equals to the negative 5/2, and b here equals to the negative 7. And the second value x equal to 0, and the a here equals 2. Yeah. And this one you punya answer. Okay. First part ini saya ingat ramai boleh buat, saya ingat tak ada masalah. Okay. Question B. Okay. Okay, question B. Integrates 4x plus 3 over 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. Okay. So first here 2 over 2x plus 5 minus 7 over 2x plus 5 square. Okay, yang ini you all ambil daripada question A tadi, ya. Yeah? And the constant here equals to the 7, sama macam tadi. So you move up the constant. Negative minus 7 and times 1 over 2x plus 5 square. And you let the u here equals to the 2x plus 5. And du over dx here equals 2, and dx here equals to the du over 2, yeah? And write down the integrands in terms of u, 1 over 2x plus 5 square, and here in terms of u, 1 over u square times du over 2, and move out the fraction 1 over 2, 1 over 2 times 1 over u square, and answer here equals to the negative 1 over 2u, yeah? And replace u here with the 2x plus 5, and here equals to the negative over 2, 1 over 2 times 2x plus 5. Okay, you can dapat macam ini nanti. Okay, and last answer, check answer. Ln 2x plus 5 plus 7 over 4x plus 10 plus c. Okay, the question 7, yang penting you punya first partial fraction, pastikan you gunakan repeated linear. Okay, question A. And then the second, you integrate. Okay, question 6 ni saya ramai boleh buat. And question 7. Okay, question 7, integrate x squared plus x plus 5 over x squared plus x. Okay, so first method, improper fraction. Ini you check you punya method. So first here you perform the long division and find the Rx equals to the 5, and the question here equals to the positive 1. Okay, you punya long division. And Qx here 1 plus 5 over x squared plus x. Seperti ini. Okay. Okay, and write down in a partial fraction 5 over x times x plus 1, and denominator here a over x plus b over x plus 1. Ini pun ramai boleh buat. Denominator here linear x and x plus 1, and you find the value of a, find the value of b. Okay, so a here equals to the 5, and b here equals to the negative 5, yeah? And here equals to the 1 plus 5x minus 5 over x plus 1. And last, you integrate, ini macam biasa, and answer here equals to the x plus 5, ln x minus 5 ln x plus 1, and plus c, yeah? Question 7, yang ini you all punya long division tu pastikan betul, okay? Dan satu lagi kelas, this value, you punya value of 1 ini jangan tinggalkan. This one you punya value of Qx tadi. Okay, ini cek balik jangan tinggalkan. Okay, settle. Question 7. And question 8. Okay, question A, 4x over e to the x power. Okay, first you let your u here equals to the x squared, and du over dx here equals to the 2x, and dx here equals to the du over 2x. Okay, and this one first step. Okay, and write down the integrands in terms of u. 4x over e, this one equals to the 4x over e raised to the power of u times du over 2x. So integrands here in terms of u, 2 over e raised to the power of u times du. Okay, dia punya terms here in terms of u. Okay, and integrates equals to the negative 2e raised to the power of u, and last you replace u with the x squared, and answer here equals to the negative 2e x squared plus c, and you solve and substitute the value, and last here answer 1.2642. Answer here, you check question, write down the answer in 4 decimal places. Jadi nanti you follow saja dia punya soalan. Kalau dia nak 4 decimal places, you ikut saja. Kalau dia nak 3, you ikut saja. Kebiasaan ni kita letakkan at least 3 lah. 3 ataupun 4 decimal places kebiasaan dia. Ya. Yeah? Okay, question A and question B. Okay, check dulu. Method dia sama saja. Question B, you let u here equals to the 4x, and du over dx here equals to 4, and du here equals to the 4 dx. And dv here equals to the e raised to the power of negative 2x, and v here equals to the e raised to the power of negative 2x over negative 2. And here integration by parts. Ini macam biasa, you all check. So uv here equals to the 4x times e over negative 2, and here minus v du. Okay, check jawapan. Dan integration by parts, sekali lagi you punya u dan v tu jangan terbalikkan. U here equals to the 4x, and dv here the exponential function. Jangan terbalikkan. Kalau terbalik memang dapat lain nanti. Ya. Yeah? Okay, so check answer. Ini sebagai jawapan saja. Ini saya ingat dalam salah. Okay, you substitute the value. And answer here at least 4 decimal places. Kita ikut soalan. So answer here negative 0.5940.
Sir.
Okay, question 9. Wait. Lepas ni.
Okay.
Okay, question 9. Ln x plus 1. Okay, so u here equals to the ln x plus 1. And find du over dx equals to the 1 over x plus 1. And du over 1 over x plus 1 dx. Okay. And this one dv equals to 1. And v here equals to the x. Okay. So method here integration by parts. uv x times ln x plus 1 and minus x times 1 over x plus 1. Ini pun sama. You perform the long division x over x plus 1. So you find the rx equals to the negative 1. Ini cek jawapan you. And the question here equals to the positive 1. Okay. Okay, so here equals to the 1 minus 1 over x plus 1. Okay, dan selebihnya you all buat macam biasa. Okay, you substitute the value. And answer here equals to the 0.9095. Okay, settle. Question 9 and question 10. Okay, question 10A. Okay, check answer. Question 10A, express the function in a partial fraction 2x plus 5 over x squared minus 3x minus 10. And the denominator here equals to the x minus 5 and x plus 2. Ini yang paling mudah. The linear denominator. A over x minus 5 plus b over x plus 2. And substitute the value x equals to the negative 2. And find the first value of b here, negative 1 over 7. And substitute the value x equals to 5 and a here equals to the 15 over 7. Yeah. And last, you punya partial fraction. 15 over 7 x minus 5 minus 1 over 7 x plus 2. Untuk LU3 ni kita pakai balik you punya LU lepas. Yang paling basic tu you kena tahulah. Dia punya first fraction, linear, repeated linear, quadratics, repeated quadratics. And the second method, you punya apa nama tu, long division. Yang itu kita pakai balik dalam LU3 ni untuk integration. Jadi kalau you tak faham tu, you check balik you punya LU yang lepas. Ya. Yeah? Okay, question A and question B. Okay, question B. You integrate 2x plus 5 over x square minus 3x minus 10. Ini pun sama, constant equals to the 15 over 7. So you move out. And the constant here negative 1 over 7. Ini pun sama. Ya. Yeah? Dan selebihnya you all buat macam biasa. Okay, check calculator. And then answer 2.3223. Dapat jawapan. Okay, kita pergi ke question 1. Yang mudah ni saya bagi jawapan sahaja. Okay, check answer. Ini ada pembetulan. Question 1, 1A4. Okay, question 1. This one you just said true, and then true or false, and then you punya, and dia tak ada reason. Ini satu markah sahaja. Ya, 1 marks. Okay, dapat jawapan betul, satu markah. Ya, ini question CLO1. Ya. Okay, settle question 1 and question B. Okay, settle question 1A, 1B, CLO1, and question 2. Okay, question 2, x power 5 ln x. Ini pun sama. Okay, check the method. Yang mudah ni saya tak perlu discuss. Ini all check saja. So u here equals to the ln x, and du equals to the 1 over x, and dv here x power 5, and v here equals to the x power 5 over 6. Ya. Dan selebihnya, you buat macam biasa, integration by part. uv ln x times x power 6 over 6, and minus v du. Dan dapatkan jawapan. Okay. And denominator here equals to the 1 over 36. Ini pun sama juga. This one 1 over 6 here times 6. And answer here equals to the 1 over 36. Dapat jawapan. Okay, settle question 2 and question 3. Okay, check answer. Question 3, e raised to the power of a negative x times e x, and you let u here equals to the x, and du here equals to dx, and dv here equals to the e raised to the power of negative x, and v here equals to the e raised to the power of a negative x. Okay. Dan selebihnya you punya integration by parts. Method dia sama saja. Method ini sama saja sebenarnya, integration by part. Kita just tukar dia punya function saja, ya. Okay, settle. Question 2 and question 3. Okay, question, ada soalan? Siapa nak tanya tadi? Ya. Okay, saya buka kalau ada soalan.
Sir, kalau
Ya.
dalam kerja lain, working step lain tapi jawapan sama boleh eh?
Which one? Question mana? Question mana? Which?
Sir, question 8.
Question 8, saya patah balik ya. Question 8. Okay, question 8. Okay, cek balik. Question 8A and question 8B. You punya method ini, question 8A, this one you punya integrals in terms of u, question A. Dan you punya question B ni adalah you pakai integration by parts. Okay, boleh. Dia punya method dia sama saja. Boleh, tak ada masalah. Okay? Okay, ya. Yeah. Okay, ada lagi. Kalau ada soalan, you all boleh type dalam chat meeting. Okay, saya tunggu. 53. Okay, bagus. Hari ini ramai yang hadir. Saya ambil dulu attendance. Okay, ada lagi soalan yang lain? Okay, untuk you punya LU3 ni, saya ingat untuk Mr. 2 ni sampai sini saja dia punya yang agak susah lah. LU1, 2, 3. Selepas itu 4, 5 sampai ke habis tu saya ingat tak ada masalah. Itu agak mudah ha. Untuk LU semester 2 ni cuma 3 bahagian yang kat depan tu agak payah sikit. Agak complicated dia punya content. Yang belakang-belakang tu agak mudah untuk you all buat. Okay, soalan yang lain kalau ada, saya buka. Okay, type di chat meeting. Saya tunggu kalau ada soalan. Okay, macam tak ada soalan. Okay lah, kalau tak ada soalan, okay. Maksudnya all faham. Okay. Dan saya ulangkan balik. Yang penting untuk tutorial 3B ni, you all check dia punya method. First method, you punya integration by parts. Pastikan you all buat dengan betul. You punya U dan V, DV tu pastikan jangan terbalik. Okay, first method. Second, you punya long division. Okay, untuk the improper fraction. And last number 3, you punya apa nama tu partial fraction tadi, sama ada linear, repeated linear, quadratics ataupun repeated quadratic. Dia sama saja. Okay. Okay, kalau tak ada soalan, saya ingat itu sahaja untuk hari ini. Dan Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, bye.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
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 Thank you, sir.